Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a lemongrass chicken. So it's gonna be an easy and delicious recipe. Boy, I bought here a bag, 4 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thigh. So 4 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thigh in a bag right here. It's frozen. It's been defrosted. And the other ingredient is just need 1 onion, 8 cloves of garlic, and lemongrass. Basically, this is the main ingredient here, lemongrass. Preferably, you should have a fresh lemongrass, but since I grow this lemongrass outside, it's cold right now. I cut it and put in the freezer, so it's a little frozen. It's already frost, so preferably so 2 stalks of lemongrass if you can get the fresh one, but it will still do the same job. The only part of lemongrass that you want is this soft part right here. So this part, save this part for making soup or something. You don't want this. All right, up to you. So with your knife, just like this. Make sure you chop it finely. Chop it up really nice. For the onions, the red one is preferred, but since I don't have the red one, you can also use the white one. So white one is also good. Just chop it up. Just kind of dice it like this. Let's chop up the garlic. I've got 8 cloves of garlic right here. Crush it like this and chop up the garlic. Okay, that's done. All right, that's it. I got. I'm cooking for 4 people right here, so it's a bag right here. I'm using chicken thigh right there. So just cut up the chicken thigh. Try to remove all the fat right here. Try to be healthy. So this is a skinless chicken thigh. Skinless, boneless chicken thigh. So just cut into right here, chunk like this, right here. Small pieces like this. Okay, so we got the onion chop up, the garlic chop up, the lemongrass chop up. I mean, the chicken thighs already cut up into small chunk. The last ingredient for this is the fish sauce. So fish sauce is very salty. A 1/4 cup, 1/4 cup of fish sauce. So a quarter cup of sugar, and mix it up. Mix it up really good. Make sure you dissolve the sugar into the fish sauce. All right, now time to cook the chicken. Just need about a teaspoon of oil. Pan is very hot now. Now let's just fry the chicken. Might have to do a couple batches. Flip over to the other side. Yeah, make sure you cook the chicken completely because you don't want raw chicken there. So you start to caramelize now, start to brown. So I think it's cooked. Just remove the chicken and we're gonna put a second batch in. Alright, don't need to add any oil. There's enough oil in there's enough oil in the pan to cook the second batch. Alright, I think the chicken is cooked. Just remove the chicken. Yeah, there's enough oil in the pan. You don't need anything else. Now cook the lemongrass. Cook the lemongrass first. Just cook it about like 15 seconds or so. 15. Now put in the onion. Then the garlic. Just cook it for another 30 seconds or so. Alright, now put the chicken back in. Now let's put in the fish sauce and mix with the sugar. Put it in. That's it, it's done. Turn off the heat. Let's plate it up. So this is the final product, lemongrass chicken. And they usually serve this with rice, jasmine rice, and some kind of vegetable. So I have some pickle here. And also cut up some chili and put on the top right here. Let's give it a try. Let's see if any good. Let's see, I put a little bit of one chili, a bit of chili, a little bit of the lemongrass chicken, and a slice of cucumber. This is good. Very good. You can taste the lemongrass. You can taste the lemongrass and the onions and the garlics and the saltiness of the fish sauce and the sweetness of the sugar that you mix with the fish sauce. And this is a very good recipe. And one slice of cucumber. Let me see. This is very good. So I hope you give this recipe a try. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye. Oh, this is really good. This is really good.